Aside from what's going on in the city of Los Angeles, much of the world, including right here in Vegas, is focusing on the good news of the vaccines.
And Brian, it's really not that far off. In fact, Governor Sisolak held a press conference earlier tonight to break down exactly how Nevadans will go about getting the vaccine. Sasha Loftis is just outside of UMC tonight after speaking to doctors about what's ahead. Sasha?
Denise and Brian, it's the news we've all been waiting for. We finally have an idea of when our first round of COVID vaccines will come here to Nevada. Now, those first doses that are set to come in the next few weeks will go to healthcare and frontline workers. I spoke with a doctor here in Las Vegas tonight. She said the vaccine won't just protect her, it will also help put her patients at ease.
We have hope now. A vaccine is coming.
After months of anticipation, a COVID-19 vaccine is coming to Nevada.
I think if I get vaccinated or our healthcare workers get vaccinated, it helps us to create a safer environment.
The first dose, which should arrive in the next few weeks, will go to frontline workers like Dr. Deepali Kashyap, who's on staff at Henderson Hospital.
I'm constantly exposed to a lot of people, like a lot of patients, and also my co-workers who themselves are further exposed to a lot of, sick patients or patients with COVID.
She calls it a welcome relief, as our most vulnerable populations are also first in line for the shot. It should go out to the general public by this coming spring. It was created quickly, but UNLV School of Medicine Dean Dr. Mark Kahn calls it an extremely safe and crucial tool.
These vaccines are safe, they're effective, and they prevent very serious disease.
Though this is just the first step, experts like Kashyap agree it's really a leap in the right direction.
We are not the source of infection for them. We are actually providing them extra layer of protection.
So we can all focus on the fight to bring back some sense of normalcy. Now, both the vaccines we'll see here in Nevada and Las Vegas, produced by Pfizer and Moderna, each have an efficacy rate of about 95%, and they will be administered in 2 separate doses, spaced either 3 or 4 weeks apart. For now, reporting live outside UMC, Sasha Loftis, 8 News Now.
Sasha, thanks for that. So while we wait for the arrival of the vaccines, hospitalizations in Nevada continue to rise. While the 2-week test positivity rate has really not improved, it's very high. 17.6% tonight is our positivity rate. More than 2,100 new cases being reported today. The total since the start of the pandemic now, nearly 157,000, and 35 more people have died. Another spike since Tuesday. 17 new deaths reported here in southern Nevada, and cases are up nearly 1,600. Brian?